Hi guys, I'm Abraham. In the last tutorial I show you how to create an alarm clock, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an MP3 player with an user interface. Tap on QPython3 if you have installed, and then I'll tap on editor, and this was my code in the last tutorial. I'll remove some of them because as for now I don't need them. I'll just clean it up. Okay, I need this and I don't need this. I'll just clean it. I'm tapping on. For that you have to tap on the cross option that is on your keyboard of your Android handset. Okay, I'm done. Here I will just put a while loop which will run infinite. Okay, I have this while loop. Now I'll create here alarm, which will be the heading of our user interface. In this case I will write mp3 player, mp3 player. Okay, we have the heading with an mp3 player, and we will also create we will create we will create, what do you call it, here an option for selecting set items. Okay, this should be inside square bracket, this square bracket, and then our first option will be play, and our second option should be, in this case, pause, and in third option we will use to close the interface. Okay, oh it's very I'm really finding difficult. Okay, no problem. Close. Okay, I have given close, and we saw the interface, and then we get a response. After getting response, we need a response of type item, in this case. Okay, item. Okay, we are done. The most part we are done. We'll intend this. All this should be intended. I'll give double space, 1 2, and here also 1 2, here as well 1 2, and here as well 1 2, and here as well 1 2, and hit enter again so that I can come here. I can have a space. So I'll give an if condition, if ref equals 0, which means if the first option is selected, and the first option in our case is play, double space. Okay, again we will give another condition, if a.media, okay, is playing, if it is playing and the result is not true, which means actually if it is not playing, okay, we'll copy this, the entire code, cut and paste it, double space, and here. Okay, we paste it here, If it is not playing, then we are telling the system to play our mp3. Okay, else we just tell him if it is in the pause mode, start playing, media play start. Okay, for that we are using media play start. It will start playing. Else if the option is second one, and in that case pause for that one. Okay, if it is pause, if a dot media is playing, in this case dot result, sorry, okay, if the result, if the media is playing, result is true, right? If it is playing, then we'll tell the system to pause it. Pause, pause. Okay, media play pause. Yeah, but if it is in pause, then let it be pause. Else, or if the close option is pressed, then in that case we will do media play close, right? And we will call this interface to dismiss, and then we will put a break loop where the system breaks, and here we will close the system sys.exit. In that case, okay, let's tap on play icon. We have the interface. Okay, is exactly, the heading is mp3 player, and we have three options: play, pause and close. Let's press on play option. It is playing. It will stop and it will loop again and play. Okay, we have not set, I think, looping here. Okay, let's go back, let's close it, press and close. Yeah, sys.exit, exit. Something is wrong with our code. Okay, here we will put a loop. Okay, a dot media play sat looping. We want this to loop and loop. If it is playing, it will go on looping. Okay, we have done this. Then what is the problem? Sys.exit. So we have not imported here sys system. So now this time I have imported. Now I'll tap on play icon again. Play on pause. Yeah, it is looping and looping. It will go on playing unless you press pause option. Now I'll press on pause. It is pause, but the interface is coming again in front. Let's play again. Now we will close. Yeah, it is exactly how we wanted. Friends, if you like my video tutorial, like it, subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching.